Mr. Warmington wants to know.
Yes.
In what capacity is the church benefiting if they are not a contributor and NHT was set up to serve contributors?
It is not correct to say the church is not a contributor.
No. Just a minute. Point of order. Correction. Can you provide evidence in this to this meeting that churches have been contributing to housing trust? How church can contribute to housing trust? My brother, hold on. Mr. Miller. How can the church contribute? The church has never contributed a dime. What social security TRN they use?
Mr. Chairman.
No, what TRN they use to make that contribution? They don't.
Mr. Chairman.
Period. No, they don't. Please, Mr. Miller. The issue, you said that you don't know what specific I'm talking about. An announcement was just made last week. The provisions are made for them to get concessional loan from you. And their contributors who have applied to housing trusts cannot get loans because they don't have no points. They don't have no points, so they can't get it. So how do you find the points for the church? How do you arrive at that? I don't want you about institution and, umbrella church or Baptist or what have you. I don't, because I'm saying the church can apply for loans based on their financial status, because the last report showed that the churches have more than $2 billion in account. And they have vast acreage of lands. They can apply against that. And don't dip into what you have that is there for contributors.
The Jamaican National Housing Trust, NHT, was established as a workers' institution. Its core purpose is to serve Jamaican contributors who have paid into the system through payroll deductions. For decades, the logic has been simple. People contribute while they work, and in return, they gain access to housing benefits, loans, and grants. That social contract is what gives the NHT its moral and legal legitimacy. The concern raised by the Member of Parliament, Everald Warmington, was not emotional or abstract. It was practical and grounded in lived reality. Warmington pointed out that many poor contributors who have paid into the NHT for years are being told they cannot qualify for loans because they do not have enough points, sufficient income, or the right documentation. At the same time, churches, which do not contribute to the NHT, are being granted access to disaster-related financing. His central question was simple and powerful. How can an institution that has never contributed a dollar to the NHT be treated ahead of contributors who have paid into the system all their working lives?